It's another beautiful day, spring day here in Tennessee. Doing a little video of the new service truck we picked up. Here it is, guys. It's a 2008 2500 Chevy with a 6.0 with a 6L80. I picked this truck up for 2,000 bucks off of Facebook Marketplace. Had like new tires on it, Firestones. The truck had a miss to it, and I picked it up. I hauled it back home. Checked the check engine light on it, and it ended up being a coil pack. So put a coil pack on it, and it's been running pretty good since. Got it hooked up. Got the Mini on it. It tows pretty good. It's got the trailer brake on it already. It's already got a Kurt commercial duty hitch. But all in all, I like it pretty good. It's not the fastest thing in the world hauling the Mini around, but it does pretty good. And I already have all my tools with me. So I'll get a rundown of how I got this set up right now. Open up these boxes, show you what I got set up here. I got my Milwaukee grease gun. Got a Harbor Freight 3/4 inch drive socket set. Got the Earthquake impact, and we got a Harbor Freight jump box. Keep my greases up here. Got some vice grips and a couple of chain sharpeners, a chainsaw, and my pole saw. Right now, I just got an extension cord in this box. Still figuring out what I want to put up here. In the back, I've got my generator, a couple of hand tools. Keep my chainsaws in that box up there. Little small air compressor, and there's my cones, safety cones. Probably gonna end up mounting the generator up top, give me a little bit more bed space down here. It's all later on. Down here in the bottom of the box, I've got all my oils, antifreeze, and got a pair of jumper cables. Up here I got some couple of air tools, pry bars, and a couple of adjustable wrenches. Got my straps and air hose in there, chains. Got a few electrical connectors, a couple of adjustable wrenches. This is kind of miscellaneous stuff here. Got a couple of ratchet binders, a dead blow hammer. Still in the process of setting this up. This is probably where I'm going to put all my tools, hand tools and stuff, ratchet sockets, wrenches. So I'm pretty happy with the truck. It's full drive. Probably going to end up getting a wrap for the front. I was going to paint it, but I think I caught about a wrap. It's about 1,200 bucks for a wrap, so I think I'll go that route. But this is a new daily pulling the equipment with. Try to get a little bit more videos coming, guys. Got one coming with a new brush cutter I got for the skid steer.